Okome loso gisani odiochieng' ma kawuono mabende otayo chenro mano mar Komishonas manyien mag JSC mabobedo ka chamo muma odiochieng' ma kawuono. Wawinjane kaka Okome loso gisani.
You bring to the Commission a stellar record of public service and constitutional stewardship. Of particular note is your distinguished role as a member of the Committee of Experts that drafted the Constitution of Kenya 2010. I am confident that this deep institutional memory and constitutional expertise will greatly enrich the Commission's work, especially in the discharge of its mandate under Article 172 of the Constitution. Honorable Commissioner Evelyn Orwande, your election reflects the continued confidence placed in your leadership and judgment by judges and magistrates nationwide. It stands as a strong endorsement of the exemplary service and commitment you have demonstrated during your first term. We therefore look forward to your sustained contribution as the Commission continues its vital institution building work. It's a fairly young Commission, 15 years, and therefore sometimes we make mistakes, but we always own those mistakes and move forward because we are doing so for the best interests of this country. The oath of office you have taken today, and I always say this to all the people that I administer the oath to, must serve as your constant guide in the discharge of your responsibilities. The oath binds you to fidelity, to the Constitution and the law, and calls upon you to serve the people of Kenya with diligence, integrity, impartiality, and devotion. This is a place where we get a lot of pressure, but we have to keep in mind the weight and the trust that the people of Kenya have placed on us and given us the Constitution as our utmost north. So I wish you every success. I wish you God's guidance and pray that God will shine His light upon you every day as you discharge your mandate. Karibuni sana to the Judicial Service Commission, and I assure you of my support and the support of the other commissioners. Asante sana.
Nyakwara mugiajuang mano gai mar doho Okome kakoro orwako ayanga mago Komishonas manyien mag